Okay, ba't nag-ayawan kayo na ito yung mga player ko? Ayan, sayang naman, wala naka-receive sa inyo ng prize ko. Okay, ganito na lang. Gusto nyo ba si Tito Clown ang gumawa? Ayan, okay, ang gagawin nyo lang, bibilang lang kayo, 1 to 15. Tapos, malolobohin ni Tito Clown. Okay, ready na kayo, kids? Okay, at the counts of 1 ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2,
hanggang 15 na. 6, 7, 8. Ayan, okay, di ba ang galing no? Napalobo ni Tito Clown. Ayan. Okay, kasi ginamitan ko siya ng ayan, kasi hindi naman talaga inihipan to. Ewan ko sa inyo, ba't ihip kayo ng ihip? Hindi nyo talaga mapapalobo. Kailangan, gamitan nyo nito. Ayan, okay, para makabawi na lang kayo kay Tito Clown. Ang gagawin natin, magkikreate ako ng animals or ng mga ibang object. Tapos hulaan nyo. Pag nahulaan nyo, sa inyo ang balloon. Go, music.
On the rocks and I'm ready for some shots. The women come around every time I pour shots. Their panties hit the ground every time I give them shots. So toast in the air, everybody let's take shots. You feeling drunk? Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Now say I'm fucked up. I'm fucked up. I'm trying to fuck. Try to fuck. Shots, Jones on the rocks and I'm ready for some shots. The women come around every time I pour shots. Their panties hit the ground every time I give them shots. So cuffs in the air, everybody let's take shots. Let's go!
Okay, ito partner.